In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos to Facebook Marketplace listings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, how to add your images, and a few tips to make your photos look their best so buyers feel confident about your listing. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet and, if possible, running the latest version of the app for the smoothest experience. This walkthrough focuses on the mobile app, which is what most people use for quick listings. If you're on a tablet or a different layout, the icons may be in slightly different spots, but the process is the same. Next, look for the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the menu or hamburger icon. It's usually at the upper right of the screen, though on some devices it may appear at the bottom. Tap that to open the main menu. If you manage multiple profiles or pages, confirm you're on the profile you want to use for Marketplace before moving forward. From the menu, tap Marketplace. This is Facebook's built-in buying and selling hub. If it's your first time, you may see prompts about location or notifications. Those help show your listings to nearby buyers. You can proceed with the defaults and adjust later if needed. Once you're in Marketplace, tap Sell. This takes you to the listing setup. Depending on your app version, you may be asked to choose a listing type like item for sale, vehicle, or property. Don't worry about all the details yet. We're focusing on photos first because great images are the backbone of a successful listing. Now tap Add Photos. If prompted, grant the app permission to access your photos. This is required so the app can display your camera roll and let you attach images. A quick photo tip: use bright, even lighting, clear backgrounds, and show the item from multiple angles. If there are flaws, include honest close-ups. Transparency builds trust and reduces back and forth later. Browse your phone's gallery and tap the images you want to include. Most listings perform best with several clear shots, including a strong cover photo. After selecting, you may be able to reorder photos by pressing and dragging, crop to center the subject, or adjust orientation so everything is upright. Keep an eye on any on-screen progress indicators while the files upload, especially on slower connections. If uploads stall, try smaller image sizes or move closer to a reliable Wi-Fi signal. That's it. You've opened the app, navigated to Marketplace, started a listing, and added your photos. Save your changes, and you're ready to continue filling in the rest of your listing details when you're set.